petroleum type product. I had to review the entire chemical inventory list
What do you think about it, Ellie?
that we're looking at.
You like it a lot?
We're looking at flammables, hazard plastic flammables.
Are you going to give me some cake?
We're looking at petroleum products.
Where'd my fork go? Where's your fork?
I don't know. It's going to
Um,
fire chief to tell you what.
I think your fork is right there in your hand.
And as far as
You're going to give me a piece of cake. Where's your serving spoon? Or serving... Will you put a piece of cake on a plate for me? I'm hungry.
flammables on the there's some flammables on the fingers. I mean on the rail cars.
Thank you. What color is this?
And
Good. What color is that one? What color is this? What color is that in your hand? What color is that plate?
there'll be some calls for some check those
Is it good cake?
rail cars out and make sure they're
Say yes, ma'am.
if it's been damaged and can be offloaded stuff like that.
Ellie.
It's a chemical mixing